Good evening everyone, this is Anubhav from Dive to Learn, and in this video I would like to discuss with you my success story of cracking NTA NET in English literature. For me, my starting line was from my MA. During my MA from CBLU Haryana, I read a variety of novels and the zeal in me was created. My teacher Anuradha Sharma told me that I should give NET exam in English and my preparations began. My first attempt was quite a casual type of attempt. I cleared paper 1, but in paper 2 I felt a lot was still to be done as I got 56 only. Now the battle of books began. It was quite difficult for me from where to start. I started gathering books related to various parts of English literature such as British history, literary theory, cultural studies, novels, PYQ books and whatnot. There were soon 15 books with me and I was confused. I was feeling like I am in a battlefield surrounded by books all the time. When the exam came for the second time, the output improved but not so much and I failed to clear the second time as well. I was confused. My tale is a tale of ignorance, perseverance, and the story of success. One day, I was browsing YouTube when I came across an advertisement of Unacademy. I installed the app to have a look. I was amazed to see the world from which I was unaware. I started to take the free special classes and the difference was evident. In the third time, my scores improved and I decided to take the plus because of Alisha ma'am's lectures on research aptitude and logical reasoning. I subscribed to the YouTube channel as well of Dive to Learn. I watched nearly 500 special classes before deciding to take plus subscription. The head start before the race, the offline readiness. After taking Unacademy Plus subscriptions and watching the videos from Dive to Learn channel, I was feeling very confident of cracking it in December 2019 attempt. I was mentored offline by Honorable Satish Arya sir, Dean, CBLU Haryana. I used to visit him frequently to discuss topics of English literature. Anuradha Sharma ma'am also motivated me to give my best shot. She cleared my doubts whenever I went to her regarding any doubts, particularly in literary criticism. Snehata ma'am also made it easy for me to crack the exam under her positive mindset that nothing is impossible. Now begin the online battles. Now I will discuss the teachers I followed on Unacademy Plus to get success. For paper 1, I relied purely on Alisha Mahajan ma'am for research aptitude, logical reasoning, communication, ICT and DI. For environment and Indian logic, I followed Shreya ma'am on Plus as well as YouTube. Paper 1 was done for me. For paper 2, I followed a variety of educators like Nikita Gandotra ma'am, Aishwarya Puri ma'am and A.K.S. Rajveer sir, Shabnam ma'am and the educators for different aspects of English which I feel were important. I divided my day in two parts. In the morning, I will do paper 1, whole day classes and at night made notes and revised by PDFs. That was my daily routine. Alisha ma'am's motivation was my key to stay positive because she always said, negative nahi hona hai, tension nahi leni. And in reality, that eased off my tensions. Alisha ma'am is a true gem and I would forever be thankful to her. Unacademy turned into a second family for me and the teachers cared for me every minute. Due to attending Unacademy's mocks and Dive to Learn mock test for NET, I was full of confidence already. I remember what Alisha ma'am told me the day before exam. टेंशन नहीं लेनी है, बच्चे ही निकालते हैं एंड तुम्हारी तैयारी अच्छी है. बस ध्यान से पढ़ना क्वेश्चन को एनालाइज करना एंड फिर टिक करना. बाकी भगवान संभाल लेंगे, मेहनत बेकार नहीं जाती है. Everything seemed like I have read it somewhere and pictures started framing in front of me what the teacher said during the lecture. When the exam finished, I was relieved and stress free. I remember Alicia ma'am called me and said, "How was the exam? Tell me." And I told her all went okay. And when ma'am started to ask questions from me, it all seemed wrong. The answer key was uploaded in a few days' time. Alicia ma'am called again to check my scores. I was hesitating to check and got a scolding again from my peers. I checked. Paper 1 it was 52 and paper 2 it was 98. I felt like I was hanging by the thread. Now it all depended on cutoff. Crossing the finish line. The results finally came out on December 31 after the objections and corrections were done. I was waiting eagerly and anxiously to see the qualified mark underneath the score sheet. When I saw the result, it seemed like a fairy tale ending. There was a Q mark at the end of my mark sheet, and I felt that all the tensions eased off from my shoulders. I felt elated and called Alicia ma'am first to declare that I have cracked it. Ma'am was happy on my success too. Then I called all the other teachers on Unacademy, be it Rajveer sir, Shreya ma'am, to inform them all about my success story. That is how my success story ended. I was now eligible to be an assistant professor. Here is my testimonial. In paper 1, I got 56 marks, and in paper 2, I got 108, and total of 164 out of 300. Finally, I want to end this success story of mine with a heart full of thanks to Alicia Majan ma'am and Shreya Jha ma'am for providing me this excellent opportunity to share my success story with you. I would also like to thank each and every teacher of Unacademy who helped me in my growth and helped me develop as a responsible and obedient human being. I would also like to express my sincere gratitude to my offline teachers right from the start because they all helped me creating the base. Alicia Majan ma'am and Unacademy are best and will continue to be a part of my routine. I will forever be grateful to them. Thank you, Alicia ma'am and Dive to Learn. Unacademy would stay in my heart forever. Our app is now on Play Store. The Dive to Learn app is now on Play Store. You can download it from Play Store and dive into a variety of topics and to learn more. Thank you.